Let me show you how to create water reflections with realistic ripples in Adobe Photoshop. First, duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl J. Name the copy, Water Reflections. Open your polygonal lasso tool from the toolbar. And select the road. Create a layer mask. Click the link icon between the two thumbnails of the top layer. Select the layer thumbnail. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Then right-click and choose the flip vertical. Hit Enter or Return when you're finished. Right-click on the top layer and convert to Smart Object. Go to File. And create a new document. Make the width 1000 pixels. The height 1500 pixels. The resolution 72 pixels per inch. The color mode RGB and 8 bits per channel. And the background contents black. Then click Create. Now unlock the layer. Go to Filter. Noise. And add noise. Make the amount 400%. The distribution Gaussian. And make sure monochromatic is checked. Go to Filter. Blur. And Gaussian blur. Make the radius 1 pixels. Go to Window. And open Channels panel. Select the red channel. Go to Filter. Stylize. And Emboss. Make the angle 180 degrees. The height 1 pixels. And the amount 500%. Select the green channel. Go back to Filter. Stylize. And Emboss. Make the angle 90 degrees. Select the RGB channel. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Right-click and choose the perspective. Let's zoom out the image. And just pull bottom corners outwards. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Go to File. And Save As. Open the Save As type and select Photoshop PSD. I'm going to name this Displacement. Then click Save. Let's come back to our image. Go to Filter. Distort. And Displace. Make the horizontal scale 10. The vertical scale 75. The displacement map stretch to fit. And the undefined areas repeat edge pixels. Select the displacement PSD. Then click Open. Open your brush tool from the toolbar and with a soft round brush. Select the filter mask. Make sure foreground color is black. And paint with black to erase the extras. Click on the adjustment layer and create a solid color. In the color picker, choose white. Double-click on this and rename it Highlights. Right-click and create clipping mask. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to screen. I'll decrease the fill to 15%. And that's it. Hope you liked it.